Hi designers, welcome back. This is part 2 of drawing circles. I was really happy to see all of the artwork that came in from last week. A lot of people trying some different things, and I noticed that a lot of people did try and use this, use the string to draw a circle. And I even saw that some people tried to draw the giant circle outside on like a street using a piece of chalk and a giant string. That was really cool. I love it to see when people try stuff. So I was just thinking maybe just one lesson would be cool, but I started looking around after drawing the circles, and I was thinking, you know, there's a lot of art that's created with just a circle. It's a very simple circle. When you have complicated drawings, they're harder to understand. But in the world of graphic design and designing logos in particular, the simpler your objects are, the circle, a square, or a triangle, then the easier it is for you to convey your idea. So if you're only drawing with a circle, it's very, very simple. And of course, one of the most iconic figures ever is Mickey Mouse. And the Mickey Mouse face is drawn almost entirely with circles. And your assignment will be, 1, try to draw the Mickey Mouse, and 2, try to draw your own character out of using only circles. First thing I did is I went around the house and I tried to come up with a collection of different sizes of round things. So let's see what I have here, and let's see what you can find around your house. So I found a couple of jars and tape, roll. This is a top to a milk bottle. This is a top to a water bottle. This is a top to a chocolate tin full of chocolates. There's a bottle cap, and I have a quarter and a penny, and I found a dish. So that's what I have today. Okay, so I'm going to start. First thing I'm going to use for the face is this plate, and the plate is about 5.5 inches across. So I'm going to hold it down and draw all the way around it. Looks just like Mickey Mouse, doesn't it? No, it doesn't. So I want some help with this being symmetrical. So I'm going to try and figure out about where the middle is. And up there. And I'm just going to draw a very, very light line straight up and down, just to help me keep things symmetrical. And I'm going to draw the ears next. As soon as we draw the ears, we'll see that it is our friend Mickey Mouse. Oh, I wasn't holding it down tight enough. The first thing you notice is I tried not to draw this circle into the face because it doesn't go into the face, it's on top of the head. Now, the second thing is I want this to be kind of symmetrical, so I'm going to go on this side of my line, and I know that the ear should start there. Boom. Instant Mickey Mouse, ladies and gentlemen. That's all you really need to draw a Mickey Mouse. But the next thing I'm going to draw is this kind of the muzzle of his face here. So I'm going to switch to this one. It's a little bit smaller than the ears. The more circles you have, the more options you'll have when picking out what to draw. So now the eyes are not complete circles. They kind of go to the midline which I drew here. So watch what I do here. A little dot there. I'm going to put my right up there, and I'm going to start at where the big part of the mouth is. Can you see how my line starts here and ends there? Now I'm going to do the same thing. This is tricky. Okay. And now I guess I'm going to use the bottle cap for the eyes. And the nose. Starting to look more and more like Mickey Mouse. So for the mouth, I'm still going to use a circle, but I'm only going to use part of a circle. So I'll use this guy, the chocolate tin, and I'm only going to draw from one side to the other here. When you only draw part of a circle, that's called drawing an arc. So that's pretty good. I could even use this to draw the little corners of the mouth, make these smaller arcs. How many circles did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a big arc. So very simple. That's what makes the Mickey Mouse logo so easy and effective and recognizable. Little kids can recognize it first thing. That's the first thing they know is Mickey Mouse because of this. Of course, it needs a little shading. Okay, Mickey Mouse, pretty good. So the second part of your assignment is to draw your own character using only circles. So I'm going to do one now, and you can look at mine, but I hope you come up with your own. All right? I don't know, kind of looks like a cat. So that's my drawing. I drew this entirely by using circles. So I can't wait to see what your character looks like. Bye, see you next week.